Welcome. We are the Digital Core team, your future partners in IT and ELV innovation.
Digital Core provides professional CCTV installation and monitoring for your business.
Digital Core delivers secure and professional access control solutions for your office.
Digital Core strengthens your mall with powerful IT networking and cybersecurity solutions. Digital Core provides reliable gate barrier and automatic door systems.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. PA system active.
POS machine setup complete.
IP phone line connected.
Thank you for watching. Digital Core is here for all your IT and ELV solutions.
Professional.
Reliable, trusted.
Get in touch with us for more details.
Follow us on all our social media channels.